Hi friends, welcome to my Gemstone Deal channel. Today I have, as usual, a new and very interesting video for you. And of course, it is useful for everybody. And I would like to say that please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon button so you could be able to get all these uploaded new fresh videos in time. And guys, here I will tell you about the blockage of marriages if you want to do a love marriage or arranged marriage, but you have some problems. You cannot, you are doing well, but something not going good for you, and some obstacles, some problems pertaining in your problem on your way, so you could be successful in your life. Your marriages are not successful, and your all the commitments are not so committed. So these problems, if you are feeling, you can wear this nice stone that is known as tourmaline. Any color you can wear, any bicolor, single color, and tricolor also you can find out in the market. So guys, if you are taking interest to be a good husband or wife, so you have to wear this kind of stone. You can get rid all your problems and all your ways will be cleansed. So the beautiful tourmaline represents heaven. It is known as the stone of fidelity, unconditional love and commitment. All these qualities make it top choice for the married as well as couples in love. So the stone also helps you to come out from the ups and downs of long distance relationships. If you are into a long-term relationships, then gift your partner this is tourmaline any color, studded jewelry, or see how in spite of all the distance your heart remains close. The stone also fills the life of couples with positivity. The stone also ensures that wearer remain calm even in adverse situations. So guys, this is very interesting. It covers all your problems in your life, in your marriage life. So if you find out this video is very interesting, please like and share, and keep up watching my all videos, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.